So in this video, we will discuss about the Rashi Sutra. Okay, the Rashi Sutras are the formulas, or we can say these are simple sutra through which you can use the Rashi, the properties of Rashi to make predictions. So like the first Rashi Sutra says, Tattva decides the first reaction. What is the meaning of it? So depending on the Tattva of Rashi, you can identify how that person will react. Okay, how that person will react for the any situation. Like for example, if Rashi is of fiery Tattva, so the fiery Tattva Rashi people, they always first act and then think. Like Rashi, let's say if Rashi is of earthy element, okay, the Prithvi Tattva, so those people first they secure, okay, first they stabilizes the situation, okay, then they act on it. In same manner, if Rashi or the zodiac sign is of airy element, okay, Vayu Tattva, so those people first connect. So they always compare the things first, okay, then they execute. And what about the watery sign? Jal Tattva Rashi. So Jal Tattva Rashi people, they first feel, okay, they first protect the Karak Tattvas of that house. They always ready to feel, to connect with that Tattva of that house, the house Karak Tattva, then they act upon it. So it means whenever you use these tattvas, so you have to identify like that Rashi is falling in which house. Okay, so the house is important because in that particular area, okay, these tattvas will manifest. So these are the first sutra. This is the one of the sutra of using the tattva, the elements of Rashi. Like this, there are many sutras. There are many rules of using the Rashi. So these all things we will discuss in our upcoming Easy Predictive Astrology course. Okay, in very detail. Okay, so this is a 3 months module. Okay, Rashi Sutra is a specific module in our Easy Predictive Astrology, and this module is for 3 months. And in this 3 months, we will discuss all 12 Rashis, and you don't need to memorize these sutras. Okay, these sutras are very simple. Okay, once you understand the whole logic, okay, you can apply these sutras in any of Rashis, you can use it. And these sutras contains modern interpretation, and I'm going to use the classical rules plus their uses, their application in the modern context. Okay, so we'll learn these things systematically like this. So if you want to learn about the Rashi in very systematic manner, in very detail, so you can join our Easy Predictive Astrology course. Thank you.